Sushi Rice recipe. Easy, fast, and perfect. 1 cup of Japanese rice. Wash very gently until water is clear. For 1 cup of rice, add 2 cups of water. And kombu for salt and flavor. Turn on heat. When boiling begins, cover pan. Lower heat and cook for 15 to 16 minutes, depending on your altitude. In the meantime, make the sauce. Rice vinegar, mirim, and sugar. Mix until sugar is dissolved. 16 minutes later, turn off heat and let rice finish cooking with lid on for another 6 minutes. Transfer to a wooden bowl. Mix the sauce gently. Cool down to body temperature. Cover with a damp towel. Great rice should be soft, yet slightly al dente, and break apart on the first bite. Please like and subscribe. Sayonara.